is either news or safety rescue team, parang ganyan. May orange siya eh. Hi! Magkaway tayo. Kabataan ba kailangan magtrabaho? 15 and over yan, pag nag-reach ka na ng 15 kailangan ano ka na, may sarili ka ng pera, hindi ka na manghihingi, you know. Although sinasabi sa child tax benefit I think hanggang 18, pero by the time na nag 14 I think or 15 lumiliit ang child tax benefit dito sa Canada. So yun naman yung iba ang ginagawa nila is nilalaan sa RESP habang bata pa. So habang maliit pa yung mga anak nyo or kapapanganak lang, yan merong email sa bawat I think may grant na one-time grant na pagka nag-open ka ng RESP para sa anak mo pagka I don't know, sanggol pa o any age. I think may 600 grant, but that grant you won't receive it until the student turns, yung anak mo, or it turns 18 or by the time na after a high school graduate gusto niya gamitin yung funds para sa college or university. You know, college and university are almost different here in Canada, pero sa states they're all university, college. I think they're all the same sa tingin ko. When I was there, when they say college, parang university na rin eh. But here, college is somewhat less superior if you're saying college ka lang, something like that, because it thinks that it's like kumbaga sa atin vocational, something like that. They think, but you know, diploma, college. University, when they say university, it's master's degree or something like that, bachelor's of science, right? So I guess I don't know kung sa Philippines is the same ang pananaw nila tungkol sa college and university. So anyways, yeah, yung government mag-grant ng 600 I think, and I don't know if it's gonna be matched up, kung how much ang ma-match up ng government sa dollar amount na i-contribute mo RESP. I have to go research that out, right? So I'm not sure. Okay, go ahead. So yun nga mga ka-vlogs, no? Bago ako pumasok sa kinesiology rehab ko, sinasabi ko na patrabahuin na dito sa Canada ang 15 years old pataas, kasi umpisa na rin naman you know, para matuto sila sa pamumuhay nila. So yan ang sinasabi ko kay Esme, no? Especially March break, mga bata, yung 15-year-old na lalaki is tutulog mga almost lampas 12 o'clock na or alauna na nagigising, ano? Sabi ko parang sayang yung araw pagka yung especially March break, kung mataas na yung araw, sabi ko, sa umaga magising mga at least maximum na siguro yung 10 o'clock ganyan, mga 9, 9:30 dapat gising na, kasi sleep time naman nila before 12 o'clock. Ikaw lang pasok mga 11, 11:30 ganyan. May iba nag-gaming pa mga hanggang 1, pero yung maximum na siguro yung 1. So pag 1 plus 8, so 9, 9:30 yan, gising na dapat. So para sa kapakanan din naman nila, they have a lot of years ahead of them, working years. So either matuto sila mag-hustle, work sa kumpanya, and then save up and invest. Yan ang Canadian dream, and get a house. Yan. Hindi naman huwag yung mag-think ng bagong kotse agad, kasi kung wala pa silang bahay, di pwede siguro, pero hindi yung pamporma, yung pang lang, pang going back in, reliable, basta reliable yung kotse in and out sa trabaho, ganyan. Kasi kaya nga umalis ng Pilipinas, kasi para mas marami kang opportunity na trabaho dito. Alam niyo yung point ko, na kaya pumunta ang mga bata dito sa Canada para sa mga opportunities na trabaho na wala sa Pinas, or sana eventually hindi na umalis ang mga workers sa Pilipinas, yung nagkakaroon ng brain drain, di ba? So para makip tsaka more opportunities sa Pinas sa atin, yung government ba mag-create ng programa para mag-create ng trabaho para sa mga citizens natin sa Pinas, para hindi na umalis. Yun lang naman yun So yung mga buwis, mag-create sila ng programa para mag-create din ng trabaho. Cycle lang naman yun. Kaya nga yung currency, yung money is tawag is currency, kasi kailangan gumagalaw yan sa cycle ba, hindi yung sa cycle na pupunta sa bulsa, hindi turon, kailangan ibalik sa programa para sa mga citizens. Ganun lang, yun lang po. Sana nakuha nyo yung point ko, So iceberg. Good morning, vlogs. Life of a tech again. Back to a life of a tech, field service tech. It's Wednesday, 8 o'clock, 8:06. Just ordering from Timmy's. Wala nang time para gumawa ng kape, so just picking it up, online order, and then pick up. Hello, hi, 9792 for Robert, online order. Yeah, I don't know what you said, but okay. Yes, 9792.
Sorry?
9792. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Bye-bye. Anxious pa rin ako, mga ka-vlogs, parang feeling ko nanlalamig yung mga kamay ko. I don't know. coffee ang in-order ko, steep tea. Kasi pag coffee parang nagpa-palpitate for some reason. Ako nagpa-palpitate yung heart ba, bibilis. So just going to the nag-text yung supervisor ko eh. Tawagan natin. Hey Siri, calls. Not bad, not bad. How are you?
All right. That's good. That's good to know. That's happy to have you back.
Yeah.
How's your health now?
It's getting better, I think, but yeah, I'm still anxious, and I don't know, it's just feeling still a little bit anxious, I guess. But yeah, you know, try to go back to normal. So Nick is not back yet, eh? He's back to.
No, Nick is not back, but on April 3rd, we hired another person. He's coming from Edmonton.
Oh, okay, he's a new guy or he's a Minolta guy?
No, he's a Minolta guy, but he's moving from Edmonton to here.
Okay, what's his name?
So, Milton Aquino.
Aquino is Filipino? No.
He's from Costa Rica.
Oh, Costa Rica, okay.
Yeah. So from April 3rd, he's production trained, his industrial print trained, he works on everything. So that'll be perfect.
Yeah. April 3rd, okay, March, April, okay, so it's like next month.
Yeah, end of this month, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So we're looking for a place, and I was going to ask you if you know any place where we can rent it out or something.
Oh.
You can help him out.
Yeah, I could.
You know any place?
Not right now. I'm renting out my basement to some guy, but yeah.
But there might be other places, right?
Yeah, there might be other places. Yeah. It's hard to get now because of the international students are coming in here a lot of them. So yeah, it's good if you're a tenant, I guess, or if you're a landlord.
Yeah. Listen, Robert, I sent you a message about it as well. That Coca-Cola call I sent you.
Okay.
It's been there for a long time, and now the IT guy, he called the director, so we need to attend that ASAP this morning.
And then I'll be right there. I'll be working till 12 because I'm on gradual return to work, right?
Okay.
So I'll see what I can do. Is that a swap or is it an added?
It's a broken. What's happening is I think the feeder's broken. Every time I try and print at 8.5 by 11, it jams up the printer.
Oh, okay. So the 4050i is already installed, but it's broken right now, or is it repaired?
That's right. It won't. It just jams. Constant paper jams.
Oh, okay.
So I think the feeder tray, or whatever the technical term, is broken somehow.
Okay. So yeah, I have an impression it was a new install because
no, not at all. It's an easy one.
All right.
Hopefully it's easy. You're gonna say, okay, Rob, I'll go over to the park, deal with it.
Okay, and it's the feeder for copying. It's not working, right? You said, or
that's right.
Okay.
It won't print. It won't print or copy. It maybe will unjam it from the side. It runs one page and then jams up again.
Okay. Yeah, I'll be there shortly. So take a look.
Okay, just give me a call because the front door is locked. So just give me a call and I'll let you in.
All right, sounds good.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.